Now, before we install the base of the shower, let's start by putting the part of the shower drain on the bottom part of the shower base. And again, what I like to do is first lay out my material before I start. This is the shower drain connector, and my preference is the brass connector. They do make it in plastic, but brass is a lot easier to work with and a lot more durable. This part here is the little key to turn it to tighten down on the rubber ring that you see in there. And the first thing we're going to do here is take our Plumbers Putty, mush it up where it's nice and tight, and kind of make a little rope out of it so that we can just wrap it right around the drain connector there, just like that, so that when we go to push down and pull down and tighten the adapter down, the putty will just squish out the side and make a nice, tight, and safe seal to the bottom of the shower drain. And I am doing this while the shower base is out, because this makes it a lot easier to put the shower drain connector on here. Now that we do have the shower drain connector on, I've put a piece of cardboard from the box that the shower enclosure came in, so that we do not scratch or damage the bottom of the shower base, so that we can continue to work on the rest of the shower enclosure. And when the guys come to patch up the drywall spots and tape, sand, and whatever they have to do to keep anyone or anything from damaging the shower enclosure. Here we're going to put our shower ring, which will be the ring to hold down the rubber washer that we have right here. The rubber washer will go down into the shower drain adapter. This will make a nice seal so that water don't go through it and come out in the basement. And we just squeeze the neoprene gasket down into the drain adapter. And to get it down further, we're going to take a screwdriver to just kind of push it down in there so it's down in nice and solid. This is kind of similar to what they would do if they used the old lead and oakum. Now here's the adapter ring that we're going to screw down into the hole, which will compress the neoprene gasket, making it spread for a nice seal and tight connection, and making it watertight so that water can't come through and come out on the other side down into the basement. This tool here is used to turn the ring itself. And what I usually like to do is I just usually like to stuff a piece of paper. But what I have is a old brown jersey glove. I'll just take my old brown jersey glove and just kind of stick it down the hole here. And this way the tool that we use to tighten the ring down won't fall down into the drain itself. Believe me, it will fall down in the hole. So please use caution and cover the hole. You will thank me. And you notice the slot in the middle, you can actually use a screwdriver. Just kind of start turning the ring, kind of tightening down on that neoprene gasket. It starts to expand. And if you want it a little tighter, let's take our channel lock pliers and get a grip on it and just kind of turn it with the channel lock pliers to get that extra oomph. Now the only thing left to do is to put our finish plate on it with the strainer, and our shower enclosure is complete.